Hello everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. Disclaimer. The opinion expressed here is not investment advice. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest crypto news and price predictions. Dogecoin price and on-chain metrics forecast 35% rally for Doge. Dogecoin price is trying to break through the $0.065 hurdle, which could trigger another rally. A breakout above the multi-year, declining trendline could trigger a 35% run up to $0.089. A daily candlestick close below $0.057 will invalidate the bullish thesis for Doge. Dogecoin price has been stuck trading between two barriers since August 28. The recent attempt to push through the upper limit indicates that Doge buyers are ready to push it higher. Dogecoin price edges closer to a breakout. Dogecoin price has been hovering below the $0.065 hurdle and above the $0.058 support floor for roughly 40 days. The last retest of the lower limit on October 3 resulted in a 13% upswing that is currently grappling with and attempting to break through the upper limit. A successful flip of the $0.065 hurdle into a support level will indicate a resurgence of buyers and will propel Doge to contend with the multi-year declining trendline. If the bullish momentum is strong and Dogecoin price slices through this blockade, it will signal a breakout. A weekly candlestick close above this level will be significant as it will be the first time Doge closed above it on a weekly basis in more than 500 days. Due to the nature of this move, investors can expect Dogecoin price to sweep the equal highs at $0.089 and collect the buy stop liquidity resting above it. In total, this move would constitute a 35% gain for the holders and is likely where a local top might form, depending on the market conditions. Into the Blocks Global out of the money GM model supports this massive expansion of Dogecoin price up to $0.089. This on-chain metric shows that roughly 352,000 addresses that purchased 60.80 billion Doge at an average price of $0.088 are out of the money. Therefore, a move into this territory could cause a spike in selling pressure due to investors trying to break even. On the other hand, if Dogecoin price fails to push past the declining trendline or the $0.065 hurdle, it will be a sign that buyers are not ready to make a move. This development could result in a sell-off that could knock Doge to retest the lower limit at $0.058. A daily candlestick close below $0.057 will invalidate the bullish thesis for Doge and potentially trigger a retest of the $0.049 and $0.057 demand zone. And, advancing alongside US stocks, cryptocurrency prices today rose with Bitcoin bouncing back above the $20,000 mark. Posting its biggest two-day increase in about a month, the world's largest and most popular cryptocurrency was trading nearly 4% higher at $20,244. Bitcoin's performance has correlated with the S&P 500 all year. The global crypto market cap today was back above the $1 trillion mark, as it was up over 2% in the last 24 hours at $1.01 trillion, as per CoinGecko. On the other hand, Ether, the coin linked to the Ethereum blockchain and the second largest cryptocurrency, gained more than 2% at $1,356. Meanwhile, Dogecoin price today rallied 8% to 6 cents, whereas Shiba Inu also rose about 5% to $0.000012. Bitcoin breached the $20,000 mark for the first time this month. The 24-hour Bitcoin trading volume jumped by a whopping 35% to cross $33 billion as investors around the globe are looking at younger assets to safeguard their wealth from falling fiat currencies. If we look at historical data, Bitcoin always performs better in October and continues the momentum till the end of the year. Bitcoin touched its lifetime high of $69,000 in November last year, said Terusha Middle, KUCOİN, and co-founder, Unifarm. Other crypto prices today performance also improved as Avalanche, Binance USD, Polkadot, Cardano, Chainlink, Tether, ApeCoin, Solana, Litecoin, XRP, Stellar, Terra, Tron, Polygon. Stellar prices were trading with gains over the last 24 hours. Global markets have sunk in the past few months as central banks around the world raise interest rates to curb soaring inflation. Risk assets like cryptocurrencies have been especially hard hit as recessionary fears rise. Bankrupt cryptocurrency lender Celsius Network Limited has set dates for the auction of its assets with final bid deadline of October 17, with an auction if necessary on October 20. Celsius has been one of the most high-profile casualties of this year's crypto market meltdown that claimed the likes of the Terra USD stablecoin, hedge fund Three Arrows Capital and lender Voyager Digital Limited. Dogecoin, Doge. Price spike is not what you might think. Crypto Market Review, October 5. The recovery of the cryptocurrency market we saw yesterday might be in its final stages, considering the state of most digital assets we are seeing today. Even a strong price performance on assets like Doge does not seem to have a strong foundation beneath it. Doge's rally is purely speculative despite the strong 7% price increase we saw yesterday. Dogecoin is not showing any signs of a noteworthy breakthrough and is already losing more than half of its value in today's trading session. The problem with the current price increase is the main reason behind it, which is the potential finalization of Elon Musk's Twitter purchase. Previously, some crypto enthusiasts suggested that Musk would bring Doge or another cryptocurrency to the social media platform. However, according to court documents, Musk does not think implementation of digital assets on the platform is a good idea considering all the congestion and security issues digital asset users face outside of mainstream platforms. The lack of fundamental support and questionable growth fuel creates an immediate profit, taking on the meme coin, which is why we are seeing a return below the exponential moving average. From a technical standpoint, Dogecoin will continue to move in the prolonged consolidation channel formed back in June. In the long term, Doge moves in a sharp downtrend since 2021 and, unfortunately, shows no signs of a reversal since April of this year. Bitcoin rejected at resistance. Bitcoin's run toward the 50-day moving average can be considered yet another attempt to break through the downtrend formed since November of last year. Unfortunately, bulls were unable to push the first cryptocurrency above the important price level. The spike in selling pressure pushed the asset back to the $20,000 threshold and will most likely cause a return to the strong support level at approximately $19,200. Trading volume profiles suggest that the digital gold is not interesting to investors as risks around the cryptocurrency market are still unreasonably high to invest in institutional grade funds. Ethereum repeats after BTC. Despite the decoupling we saw in the pre-merge period, Ethereum's dominance tumbled massively, considering the worsening of its price performance and the rising dominance of Bitcoin on the market. In the last 24 hours, Ethereum has lost around 1.3% of its value after failing to break through the local resistance level reflected in the 50-day moving average. Unfortunately, Ether remains in the 53-day-old downtrend that began after the successful installation of the merge update. Unfortunately, Ethereum is not showing anything exceptional and will most likely continue to move downward until the market recovers as a whole. Good day to everyone.